Hello, my name is Wendy, and today I'll be walking you through DOTS IP address validation. Did you know that mismatches between a customer's computer IP address and their physical address is a leading indicator of online fraud? DOTS IP address validation puts an end to this problem. This real-time web service API cross-references the online customer's IP address against other data points they've inputted, including their own mailing address, to identify potential fraud. This service updates more than 10 million subnets daily and includes over 4 billion IP addresses in the master database. DOTS IP address validation also identifies the location of an IP address worldwide, with a 99.8% country-level match rate and a 98% U.S. state-level match rate. It also detects IP addresses coming from anonymous proxy servers like Tor and reveals IP type including private, public, anonymous, or satellite. A certainty score is provided to give you added decision-making power. Let's take a look at an example input-output. The input address on the left shows the customer's IP address. On the right, the output shows the IP's city, country, geolocation, proxy type, ISP, and NetBlock owner. In order to test this API, you'll need a trial license key. We use license keys to authenticate and count the transactions for our customers. The easiest way to gain instant access to a trial key is to fill out the free trial key form on the right side of the product webpage that you're interested in. You can test any of our web services for 30 days or 500 transactions. If you're planning on integrating the API, it's important to select from the interest level drop-down the option, I will use the API in my software or application. I'll show you why this is important in just a moment. Once you fill out the free trial form, you'll receive an email specific to this API. It contains your unique license key to use during the trial. The email also contains some handy links for developers to various tools that you'll need for a smooth API integration. You can view another example of the service by clicking on the sample request URL that is provided in your welcome email. Notice that the input is in the URL query string and the outputs are shown in the XML tree. To test this service using your own inputs, return to the welcome email and click on the service path link. The service path will list each available operation for this web service. For this example, I will demonstrate with the operation getLocation by IP v2. Here you can enter an IP address. Once you've entered it into the inputs, paste the license key from your welcome email into the appropriate field and hit Invoke. Once the license key is invoked, you'll see returned outputs including the IP addresses city, region, country, geolocation, the certainty score, and proxy information. We offer many helpful tools for developers integrating this API. This includes a detailed developer's guide and sample code downloads. We offer sample code in a variety of major programming languages including PHP, Java, and C#. Within the developer guide, you'll find the outputs for each specific operation, additional code snippets, and detailed explanations of flags and notes for each output. DOTS IP address validation is a web service API with no servers or software to install. Your information is never stored, and we offer a 99.995% server uptime guarantee. Free technical support is offered to our customers, and there are many free resources available throughout our website, including access to videos, articles, and white papers. We have over 20 real-time contact validation APIs and offer multiple solutions and third-party integrations to meet your specific needs. To access your own DOTS IP address validation free trial or test any of our real-time contact validation services, please visit our website at www.serviceobjects.com.